Students, today we will learn about the Daniell cell when it is in the state of the equilibrium. So first of all, we write the cell reaction for the Daniell cell, that is like this: ZnS plus Cu2 plus aqueous equals to Zn2 plus aqueous plus Cu salt. Okay. If this reaction is in the state of the equilibrium, we can write the value of the equilibrium constant K by the law of mass action, that is like this: K equal to the concentration of zinc ions divided by the molar concentration of the copper ions. Is it clear? And the concentration of the copper and the concentration of the zinc in solid state have been taken unity. Okay, because their concentration do not change, that's why they are considered as one. Okay, so the value of the equilibrium constant is equal to the molar concentration of the zinc ion divided by the molar concentration of the copper ion. Okay, now we consider the Nernst equation for the Daniell cell, that is like this: E equal to E0 minus RT upon NF ln Zn2 plus divided by the CO2 plus. Okay. Now we also know that when the cell is in the state of the equilibrium, the value of the EMF, that is E, this is 0. So on putting the value of EMF 0, we get the value of the standard electrode potential E0 equals to RT upon NF ln Zn2 plus upon CO2 plus. Okay. Now let this one is equation number 2 and this one is equation number 1 and this one equation number 2. So from this one we can put the value of the equilibrium constant in this equation. So we get like this: E0 equals to RT upon NF natural log ln K. Okay, or we can write this one: NF E0 equal to RT ln K. On converting this natural log into the log on the base of 10, we will multiply it by 2.303. So we can have this equation like this: NFE0 is equal to 2.303 RT log K. So this relation in between the standard electrode potential and the equilibrium constant is very useful to solve the different type of numericals. So students, you can use this one. Okay, now we can do some more changes in this equation. On putting the value of F, R, T and 2.303, we very well know that this can be put as equal to 0.059. Okay, so I am putting this one. First of all, I am arranging this equation in this manner: NFE0 equals to, or NFE0 divided by 2.303 RT equals to log K. Clear? Now for this one, on putting the value of F is the Faraday, and divided by 2.303 RT. R is universal constant and T is the absolute temperature. On putting the values of all these, we get the 0.059. Okay. 1 upon, here we will get this 1 upon 0.059. So this will be like this: Ne0 upon 0.059 equals to log K. Okay. Now, if we have to find out the value of the equilibrium constant, so we can take K equal to the NT log of Ne0 divided by 0.059. So this is the general equation to find the value of the equilibrium constant for any cell. Okay. For that cell, we can put the value of N. N is the number of electrons gained or the liberated, and E0 is the value of the standard electrode potential. Okay. Now we can find out the value of the equilibrium constant for Daniell cell. We know that for Daniell cell the value of N is 2, and E we very well know that is 1.1. Okay. So K equal to NT log of 2 into 1.1 divided by 0.059. If we can find out the value of the NT log of this, we can find out the value of the K, that is the equilibrium constant for a cell. Okay. Thank you.